Hi, hello everyone! Today I'm going to unbox the tilt system inclinometer. So, here is the complete setup for the tilt system. A display goes inside the cabin and presents to the operator the pitch and roll and alert messages. A cable goes in the module. The module must be installed inside a cabin because it's not waterproof. A communication cable passes through all the truck and goes to the inclination sensor. The sensor measures pitch and roll. The output cable. The output cable has black and white to the source. Orange and yellow is the PTO signal. It goes in the air pressure sensor. Orange and green goes to the end of truck sensor, who tells the system if the truck are tipping or not. Red and white goes to the valve that stop unsafe tipping. White and blue is the auxiliary output who get down unsafe tipping. Sticks for information. Here is the complete setup for the tilt system. Okay, so here we finish one more ComLink Explica. See you soon!